Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we're going to dive deep into CrowdStrike. We initially published a report on our website on Tuesday, January 23, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 30, 2023, our system has identified CrowdStrike as a promising investment opportunity, ranking it as a buy candidate with a score of 3.01. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed a remarkable gain of 70.25% since we initially listed CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 58 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 1.21% since it was identified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend. This presents a potentially good selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $300.61, it may indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 65.43% change expected over the next 3 months. This translates to a possible return between 49.65% and 67.29%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 91.25% change over the next year. This could lead to a potential return between 29.77% and 92.51%. So, after a year, the stock price could range from $385.78 to $572.29. Our latest update for CrowdStrike brings you exciting news. CrowdStrike stock has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Tuesday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, January 23, 2024, the CrowdStrike stock price experienced a slight decrease of -0.465%, going from $298.66 to $297.27. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $291.71 and a high of $299.70, showing a 2.74% range. Interestingly, the stock has been on an upward trend, rising in 7 out of the past 10 days and experiencing a total increase of 13.77% over the last 2 weeks. It's also worth noting that the trading volume decreased along with the stock, which can be seen as a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume fell by -2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 3 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $794.88 million. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the CrowdStrike stock reached a high of $302 and a low of $97.26. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 1.57% or $4.73 below its 52-week high of $302, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, let's talk about analyst ratings for CRWD. In an exciting development on Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Morgan Stanley upgraded CRWD and gave it an overweight grade. And that's not all. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities also gave CRWD a buy grade, but with a hold action. Needham and Wedbush chimed in with their own buy grades for CRWD, but unfortunately, they also gave it a hold action. Lastly, Truist Financial gave CRWD an underperform grade with a hold action. According to analysts, CrowdStrike stock has been given a general buy rating. They also rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we will be discussing the signals identified for CrowdStrike stock. The stock currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and declines, there will be some support from the lines at $287.93 and $260.20. However, a breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has been identified from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been issued, which may have an influence on the near short-term development of the stock. On Monday, January 22, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -0.465%. It is likely to continue to decline until a new bottom pivot has been found. Lastly, it is worth mentioning that the volume of trades has decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows the price movements. Let's explore some other signals that could be of interest. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 59 days ago. Turning our attention to the 12-month chart, we observe. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal 184 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 217 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. When it comes to support levels, CrowdStrike has 2 significant levels to watch out for. The first one is at $273.77, just below today's level. The second one is at $236.99. If the stock breaks the first support level, it may fall to the next level of support. So, keeping an eye on these levels is important for investors. Now, let's discuss the risk involved. When a stock is testing a support level, there is always a natural risk. If the support level is broken, the stock may experience a further decline. In the case of CrowdStrike, if the support at $273.77 is broken, the next support levels are at $236.99 and $234.44. It's crucial to monitor these levels to make informed decisions. Moving on to volatility, CrowdStrike has shown average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock had a range of $8 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.74% of its value. Looking at the last week, the daily average volatility was 2.64%. Before we jump into discussing the potential good trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key indicator that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for even well-established companies to go through challenging periods, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative P/E ratio, it may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on March 5, 2024. Let's dive into potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $298.66. If you're not yet invested, it may be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, CrowdStrike faces its first support level at $273.77. If this support holds, it could present a good entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, CrowdStrike has received an average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Michael Santonas sold 22,123 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz sold 2,408 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz sold 8,195 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz sold 8,528 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, George Kurtz sold 6,902 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative with a ratio of -46.357. Overall, insiders have purchased 346,189 shares and sold 936,606 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $286.70, representing a decrease of 3.56%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is currently at 81, significantly increasing the overall risk. A sell signal was triggered by a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is CrowdStrike stock worth investing in? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe there may be a buying opportunity for CrowdStrike stock in the near future. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements in the market, our systems have determined that the current price of CrowdStrike stock is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 24th, we anticipate that CrowdStrike stock will open with a decrease of $1.05, starting at $296.23. Before we proceed, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest, where we provide you with an in-depth analysis of the stock market. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Before we begin, we want to wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Let's dive into the details.